You're wasting your 20s. And no, it's not because you're lazy or broken or not smart enough. It's because nobody ever taught you how to use this decade. Not in school, not in college, not even in the books you read. Your 20s are sold to you as a time to find yourself. But here's the truth. You don't find yourself. You build yourself. And building requires more than just vibes, vision boards, and hoping things fall into place. It requires action. It requires structure. And it requires failing forward, over and over again. Yet most people spend their 20s trapped between two extremes. Either overthinking every choice, either numbing out completely with distractions. They wait for a sign, for clarity, for confidence. But none of those come until you move. A report by the American Psychological Association shows that the most common regret in adults over 40 is wasting time, especially during their 20s. So if you feel stuck, lost, behind, you're not alone, but you are responsible. Here's how to fix it. 1. Stop chasing passion. Start building discipline. You don't need to love what you do right away. You need to show up, especially when you don't feel like it. 2. Pick one thing and go deep. Not 5 different side hustles. Not 10 self-help books at once. Depth beats noise. 3. Build systems, not goals. You don't rise to your level of motivation. You fall to the level of your systems. 4. Curate your inputs. The people, content, and ideas you let in shape the person you become. 5. Use your time like it matters, because it does. Your time is your life. Every minute is either invested or wasted. Your 20s are not a dress rehearsal. They're the first act of your real story. And the more you delay, the harder it becomes to rebuild later. So ask yourself, what if you stopped trying to impress everyone? What if you made peace with I? Not tomorrow, not next year, now. Now it's your turn. What's one thing you know you've been avoiding? Write it in the comments and start holding yourself accountable. And if this gave you something to think about, subscribe to the channel. This space is for real conversations, real tools, and real growth. No shortcuts, no fluff. Just you getting better. See you in the next one.